Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shelly. Welcome back to all my new subscribers. And I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification button. And if you've already been here with me, I thank you for staying. Today, we're going to get right into this video. I'm going to be coming to you guys with the Tammi X Revolution eyeshadow palette. You can see that I already have the rest of my face done. I did a little small purchase from Ulta, and these were one of the items that I did pick up. This is the Tropical Twilight palette, and this is by Revolution. So we're going to get right into this look. If you want to see what fall look I'm going to come up with using this palette, just stay tuned. And okay guys, like I just said in the intro, this is the Tammi X Revolution palette right here. This is what the packaging looks like. It is really pretty. Has this purplish theme with the sunset. And if you have watched any of Tammy's videos, Tammi Clark, you will know that she's all about that sunset eye look, with that purple and those oranges and those reds. But I am not going to be doing a look like that today. I'm actually going to do a fall look today, and just going to use this palette while I do it. I want to play with it so bad. So I just received it in the mail a couple of days ago, so I definitely want to give it a try and test it out, see how pigmented it is, and see what kind of good stuff Tammi did with this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it up and let you guys see the entire palette, and this is what it's looking like. Very pretty, very pretty. Has a really nice mirror too. So I'm just sitting here thinking, like, what am I going to get into? I'm actually going to use the mirror that came with the palette to apply my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to pick up one of these brushes. Doing a fall look, doing the fall look, doing the fall look. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this color. Girl, please, let me grab this box, because I want to try to show you the colors that I'm going to use straight off the cuff, you guys. I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret. This is the color, what's it called? Dusk. I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret about your girl. I love yellow. You will learn to see that as we progress on into the videos in this channel. So I'm going to use the color Dusk. And I'm going to apply that all over my crease here. Ooh, I'm not seeing these colors. Okay. See the colors. I think I'm just losing my light a little bit. Let me pull this hair back some. Actually, guys. Okay, guys. I don't know what I was thinking, but just like I did last, I gotta pull out this little mirror. Let me just find it here. I don't know who I was fooling when I thought I was about to use this big mirror and this palette and try to talk to y'all at the same time, but myself. That's the only person that I fooled, was myself. So yes, sir, this is a beautiful color. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm just leaning in a little bit so I can see what I got going on. All right. Okay, now that I have that yellow on, I'm just going to go a little bit lower on the eye, rather, sorry. And I'm going to pick up this Okay, I'm sorry guys, I just got a little, I'm gonna pick up the color tan. I don't want to keep holding this up. I'm gonna pick up the color tan. If you have this palette, I'm just gonna say their names because just gonna go a little bit lower than dusk with this. And just going, like I said, just a little bit lower. Got a bit of a, just placing that on the crease area. This might actually come out a bit smoky, which is okay. Okay, so we're just gonna go back in and blend those two colors together. All right, now I'm just gonna pick up my small outer corner brush, and I'm gonna pick up the color Horizon. Oh, it's deep, and I love it. We're gonna place that on our outer V. It's like a deep burgundy. I'm definitely gonna show you guys the colors that I use just as soon as I'm done here. So I just do not want to keep holding this up, and I'm going on the outer V and then kind of in a little bit in that crease area. Just a little bit. This is such a beautiful color, and this burgundy is definitely going to be repped a lot this fall. I can already see. But it's definitely going to be a color that I'm going to be wearing this fall. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this color Sunrise, and we're going to place it on the lid. Just going to place it on our mobile lid, and I'm not going to go any further than my actual leg goes, which is not far at all. Okay. Just fixing this up a bit, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna take my brow bone. I'm gonna use the color Dawn. Oh, I really like that. This is just an all matte look. And when I get to the inner corner, I probably will apply a bit of a shimmer there. But yeah, I really can't see that yellow anymore. That's where I'm having a bit of a problem, guys. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that and place it in right here a bit. All right, and we're just going to take just barely tapping into that burgundy color to just add a bit more. That's my favorite part of eyeshadow, the outer corner. outer V. I love it. Okay, so on my lower lash line, guys, since I've already done everything else to my face, I can go ahead and get into that. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to go with the color Coconut. This like this smoky brown. Ooh, it's smoky. It's smoky. And then I'm going to come back in and smoke that out with another color. I believe some of that actually fell on my tongue. I'm going to smoke it out with the color Sundown, which is like these are all like, the names of these shades are like, makes you think of sun shades and stuff. Okay, my friends, going in with the inner corner now. And I'm going to use, I guess let's go for Candlelit. Let's go for Candlelit. Placing that in the inner corner. How will you breathe life into me? Breathe life into me here on this altar. Father, you can use me. It's one of my favorite songs. It's by Psalmist Rain. I love that song. Excuse me, I'm just gonna use this. Okay, we did a little bit with that. We did more than I thought we were gonna do. That's the look, guys. Let me see. I'm gonna hold this palette up so you guys can see what I used. Here I used these shades. I'm sorry, but it was just a little bit too much for me to try to hold up and show y'all at the same time. So we used the color Dusk in our crease, and then we used Tanned a little bit lower than Dusk, and then we went in and used Horizon on our outer V, and for our lid shade we used Sunrise, and on our brow bone we used Dawn, and lastly in our inner corner we used Candlelit. And it took us only a few minutes, and that, my friends, is a quick how-to fall look using the Tammi X Tropical Twilight Revolution palette. I'm going to just get my liner out, my eyelash curler rather, and I'm just gonna curl these real quick. I'm going to use my Mega Slim mascara from Wet n Wild with this really skinny wand on my lower lashes. Not even gonna put any liner on with those. Ooh. How many of you guys hate that? When you're doing your lower lashes and you're making this face and you still get mascara on your eyes or on your skin? What? Why you gotta be so rude? Ugh. Yeah, but it will make you upset though. But it's not gonna block me because I'm gonna keep right on going. We're going to keep right on going with this look. Going to do our upper lashes. I didn't even tell you guys what I'm using here, but it's just a Maybelline Define Lash Osco mascara. But I love it though. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. On my face, I have on my Fenty 390 in the Fenty Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Blush, I use my MAC format, and I'll try to leave these things down in the description box below. That's gonna do it for this video today. I thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe if you like what you see, subscribe to this channel so you know when the next video goes up. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified once you are a subscriber of when the next video goes up. And also guys, don't forget to leave me a comment. If you're watching this video and you make it this far, and I certainly hope you do, leave me a comment on your favorite thing you like about the fall. My favorite thing about the fall is that, and my most excited thing about the fall is that the time goes back 1 hour, which gives me an extra hour to sleep, and I get so excited about that. So until next time, you all know what to do. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, YouTube.